Hi James, so this is the unit. I'm just going to turn it on, start this up, you can listen. Sounds a bit rough, that's on level 2. Turn that off. The PCB arrived with some cable ties holding this piece on, which I think a piece is snapped off there, so it didn't stay in place. So I just put some tape over it. I'll turn that down to level 1. You can see it. There it is, down to level 1. Let's turn that back on. It's quite a rattle. If I can hold this very still, you might sort of see it moving up and down more than it should. Let's turn that off again. You can see it spinning up and down, wobbling up and down.